G'day, Scotty Wimpy here from First Aid, Accident and Emergency. We're one of the #1 defibrillator suppliers in Australia, and rightly so, but we have a huge range. So I wanted to take you through the sort of defibrillator bundles that are suitable for your organisation. We get asked this a lot, and we get asked to pick out the right packages and bundles that are suitable for your needs. So I wanted to take you through some of the ranges on our website and the menus and the defibrillators that you should pick. So if you jump on our website and arrow down just a little bit, you'll see a blue section. Once you click here, you go to the First Aid and Defibrillator shop. This shows all of our defibrillator bundles, all from price order, from lowest through to highest. Everything's in here, so it can be a little bit confusing. So if you arrow up just a little bit and click on Show Sidebar, let's have a look at the indoor bundles. Now, these indoor bundles are ideal for workplaces, clubs, anywhere where a defibrillator is going to be stored inside, starting at lowest right through to highest price range. The ideal options are things like wall cabinet alarmed bundles. The next section are our mobile defibrillator bundles, and we've set these up specifically to be tough for marine environments, caravanning, vehicles, and even construction sites where these defibs are going to cop an absolute hammering. They are built for this. The last section is the outdoor defibrillator bundles, and they're exactly that. All these defibrillators are set up in an outdoor cabinet that can handle that environment. We've even put pin-coded cabinets together so you can keep these stored outside and locked if necessary. So there you have it, an extensive range of indoor, mobile and outdoor defibrillator bundles suitable for your organisation. Ideally, you can give us a call as well, and our defibrillator experts will help you through the range to choose the right defib bundle package for your organisation.